In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Namecheap account permanently. If you're ready to close your Namecheap account for good, it's important to do it the right way so you don't run into issues later with active services, renewals, or saved payment methods. Namecheap typically requires you to clear out anything still attached to the account before they can process a permanent closure request. Start by reviewing everything currently active in your account. This includes any registered domains, hosting plans, and other subscriptions tied to your dashboard. If you still have active domains, you'll need to transfer them to another registrar or move them to a different user account before continuing. You should also cancel any hosting packages you no longer want and make sure auto-renew is turned off for every product. This step is essential because an account with active services usually can't be fully deleted. Once your services and subscriptions are cleared, go to your account profile and remove any saved billing information. That means deleting stored credit cards or any linked online payment accounts. This helps prevent future charges and also makes sure your account is fully disconnected from your payment methods before you request closure. After that, log into your Namecheap account and head to the Profile and Security section. There, you should find your support PIN. You'll want to copy or save that PIN because it's used to verify that you're the account owner when you contact support. Without it, the deletion request may be delayed. Next, open the Namecheap support page and submit a support ticket to the billing or sales department. In your message, clearly state that you want your account to be permanently deleted. Be direct and make sure to include your support PIN for verification. If you prefer, you can also contact Namecheap through live chat instead of submitting a ticket. The important part is that your request clearly says you want permanent account closure. As a final tip, double check that you no longer need access to anything inside that account before sending the request. Once the account is deleted, recovering information or restoring services may not be possible. Taking a minute to confirm everything is transferred, canceled, and removed can save you trouble later. That's how to permanently delete your Namecheap account. Follow these steps carefully, and your account closure request should go much more smoothly.